Alright, so what we're doing today is we're going to use some ceramic coating on this taillight bezel on my tour pack. And the reason I'm doing it is because the plastic is faded and it has wax residue and a number of other things on it that just can't really be removed. So that's what I'm doing. I did it on my inner fairing, and I'll show you that in a minute. And that turned out really well. And what I ended up using was that. And Cerakote makes it. It's the same folks that make finishes for firearms, and turned out really good. So we're gonna give it a shot. I decided to tape the whole bike up because with the exception of the plastic that I want to coat, I wasn't sure what it was going to do to the Harley Davidson logo piece in the middle, nor the lenses. So I just decided to be safe instead of sorry. I do know that some ceramic coatings can be applied to all of it, and I wasn't really sure because this one is specifically for trim. It says trim coat, so that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I taped it, and I'm getting ready to clean it. I'm going to use some acetone, not a whole lot because plastic and acetone aren't friends. So we're going to do that really quick just to get the grease and all that. It's about 105 degrees out here, so it's wet too. And we'll see how it goes. So check it out. Not using much here at all. One key thing you have to do for sure is wear gloves. This stuff is no joke. This is the second time I've applied it. Actually, really the third, because the first time I applied it on my inner fairing, I messed it all up. Yeah. So, and once you open it, it starts activating. It's not meant to be. It's meant to be in these airtight packages, and once you crack them open, it starts hardening. So this one I already popped open when I ripped it, so we'll get this one going right away. Got a lot of nooks and crannies, so trying to be good with this. The one thing you don't want to do is rub back and forth, because then it creates bubbles and then it looks really weird. That's what happened on my inner fairing, and it looked really strange, and it dried strange, and basically I had to take it back off and start over. And it's a good idea to flip this around and reuse it, find a good smooth section of the well, an unused section, I should say, of the applicator. You see how I'm just doing like broad strokes? That's what I'm trying to do, at least. My initial short strokes are just to cover it. And I'm trying to get this little inner ledge here too. So, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this looks really good. Just looking now for little areas that may not have gotten a good even coating. I need to remember to flip this around. I'm an old guy and I didn't bring my glasses out here, so I'm doing this all by feel. Okay. I think that's done. I'm gonna grab a light. The light definitely helps. You see a few spots you miss here and there. This light's about dead. These inner spots. Okay, that's as good as it's going to get. I'm just going to let it sit for a while, and the next thing you'll be surprised is, see how pliable this is. It's really just a napkin, or just a little cloth applicator. But when this sets up, this will be stiff as a board. Trust me. It's pretty cool. You see that? I'll show you the interfering well that I did, or interfering that I did, and that was done probably about 3-4 weeks ago, and that was really damaged. I mean, so sun bleached and streaked and messed up, completely messed up, and it's a little dirty right now, but you can see it looks 1,000% better. So stand by and we'll come back and see this once it's dry. Okay, the moment of truth. We're gonna uncover it. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. Took me about an hour to do the whole thing. It went from faded to like new. I guess I'll update this video down the road to see how long it lasts. I'm about ready to go on a big trip, so we'll see how long it stays on there, but all I know is it looks great. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Remember when I told you that applicator would turn into a brick? Well, take a look. It's literally, it's super stiff. It doesn't even fold up anymore. And that's basically what happens to that stuff. It just gets so rock hard and solidifies when it's exposed to air. So pretty neat. So I guess that's it. Bye now.